Hey guys, so you're probably wondering how to get the YouTube app on your Nintendo Switch 2. And I want to be completely transparent honest with you. This is Nintendo itself, okay? Because I've seen a lot of fake videos on this. And first of all, the Nintendo Switch YouTube app, okay? It's not compatible with Nintendo Switch 2. This is from Nintendo support itself. This is the official website from them. What they currently have is the YouTube app in the Nintendo eShop, and that's only available in select countries. Okay, so keep that in mind. What you can do though, if you want, you can go ahead and use other streaming or media apps from the original Switch, like Hulu, Crunchyroll, and also these ones they don't currently work on Switch 2, but they have publicly stated, Nintendo has publicly stated that they are working on a version for Switch 2. So it should come out pretty soon. We just have to wait for now. If you found this helpful, we appreciate the honesty. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.